super gloomy outside, but I'm gonna do my updated kind of summer routine that I've been doing for makeup, starting off with some primer. I've already done my skincare, so I'm just going in with a hydrating primer. This one's from Benefit. It's their Professional Light Primer. So just gonna apply that really quickly. Complexion, I go very minimal, and this is the product I've been liking. I've done a full review on this. This is the L'Oreal Paradise Water Infused Tinted Moisturizer, and I just literally dot like the smallest amount on my skin. And that's all I do. Okay, so once I have a little bit dotted on, I just take my fingers and just smooth it out. And just, do you see how it kind of just gives an evenness to the skin? Nothing too intense. We're gonna go in with concealer, so don't worry. Like if you're like, oh wow, that's not a lot of coverage, that's kind of the point. But we do go in with concealer afterwards. And with Benefit's Bright On Concealer. So right now my skin's actually behaving. So I don't have too many problem areas. I just have a dark spot right here. And that's basically it. I'll put a little on my chin and that's that. So this really helps kind of take that really light amount of coverage to a little bit more. I wouldn't even say medium, but a little bit more. So we're gonna blend this out really quickly. So I just blend that into the skin and then see how it just takes that complexion to the next level. So you can apply your concealer wherever you want to add just a little bit more. Going in with a really pretty Dewy Peach is the name of this one. It's a blush from Mary Kay. It's a liquid blush. So I go a little bit heavy-handed with my blush because this is all we're going to be putting on our cheeks. And I do this before I set, so if I get it a little bit too high up, I can kind of move powder around to help blend everything nicely together and keep that under eye super bright. But this is like all I do. Sometimes I go in with contour, but today this is it because this is like what I do when I have 5 minutes and I just want to look put together, but not too much. At the face, I use this combo. This is new to me. I never used this before, but this is the CoverGirl Clean Fresh. So I do translucent underneath the eyes, and then for the rest of the face, it's called medium. I just kind of go around the blush. Brows, I'm super lucky because I have pretty thick brows, so I just go in with a clear brow gel. This one is the 24-hour one from Maybelline, and that's it. Mascara seriously makes such a difference. This is Lancome's Idole. Went in with some pink lip balm, and that is it. This is kind of like my skin but better makeup look for summer. It's super lightweight, very easy and quick to do, which I absolutely love. And most of the products are pretty affordable. Any of the high-end ones, like for example, this Givenchy lip balm, obviously you can sub that for a drugstore one, but most of the products are pretty affordable, which I love, and they're great for every day. So I hope you enjoy my updated summer makeup tutorial.